Torrential rainstorms dropped in Kentucky Wednesday morning, causing flooding and stranded vehicles as well as affecting parts of southern Illinois and southeastern Missouri. Mayfield, Kentucky was among the hardest hit communities. Nearly a foot of rain fell in Graves County, prompting the National Weather Service to declare it would likely set a new Kentucky record for precipitation within a 24-hour period, 11.28 inches based on preliminary reports. 10.48 inches was the previous record set March 1, 1997.